Hello everybody, my name is Dexy here, and today we're playing a game called Monkey
Get
Bro.
into it. I'm coming! I'm coming! Where are we going?
So yeah,
Who wants to know how to get the fort?
I'm gonna play it for like a little bit. Really not.
I got that bet! Where are we going? We have bet!
Everyone,
head to level 1. Head to 1. Head to 1.
It's in the arcade.
What is this?
Can you teach me, please? I pressed 1.
Hold on.
We're going.
Is this like a hockey? Oh, that's a hockey.
Wait, I wanna go.
Brother.
Where are we going again? Alright, where are we going? Follow me this way. You want the free force cosmetics? Okay,
No, I can't do that.
He wants me to play something. Oh, wait, what? How do you do it? Whoa. Hey, how do you do it? How do you do the chest right here? I already got it. Okay, head down here.
I'm plugging my headset.
Yeah, I already got the... Watch. Yeah, bro, head down here. Head down there. Oh. Yeah, no, we go back.
Nice.
We go back. No. Come on. Come. Let us go back. Come on. Okay. Let's go. Now you're trapped. Follow me this way.
Was it?
Okay.
Fuck.
Yeah. Woo! Bruh. I drifted. Wait, guys, everyone look down. Look down. Look down at yourself. Look down at
Where are you
yourself.
guys coming from?
Bro, what? Wait, what is this? Wait, I want Jimmy. You just see your ears. Why did I... Guys,
A mobile foot. Can monkeys have it?
Yo, who has trusted user? Why is the
Oh my
elevator
freaking
gone?
god! Stop falling at.
Head to trusted user. The board is flashing across my screen. Okay. Let's go. Good user. Right. Okay. Trusted user people.
Yeah.
I'll see y'all. We need to confess. How much money have we spent in this game? No, we're just gonna do like trusted user stuff. I spent like 2,000. I'm not sure. My fellow trusted user. I have called a trusted user meeting. Let me slap some people's hands. Okay, I got that too. I slapped some people's. If you want to, trusted user. I got the lightsaber. I got the lightsaber too. Old and new. I got the golden lightsaber. You really? How do you get it? I almost have every cosmetic in the game. And
Bro,
almost
this is
have
like a
every
picture candy.
yellow, skippity, Sigma on the wall. Who's the skibbityest of them all? Rizzler, Ohio Riz, skibbityest of them all.
How am I back in the
Let's
same
go on
lobby?
the elevator. Oh. I'm gonna be stuffy. Yeah, I'm gonna be stuffy. The
Phone.
elevator's straight gone.
Okay,
I'm
this
gonna
is
be
phone.
stuffy now. Oh, the
Banana,
elevator
you have
is
anything
gone.
unlockable in the game? I need someone
Oh,
to
So we got like
unlockable in the game.
it's like a camera mod. I don't know if it actually works in the video. Tell me guys, can you see my face? Can you see my face? Does it like the camera actually work in the video? I don't know. Oh, by the way, guys, pretend this is my channel. There should be a red button that says subscribe. Click that button. Click that button. Also click the like button. Also join the Discord. It'll be in my bio in the description. I'll also put the link in the description. So yeah, subscribe, guys.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Come right here. What are you doing?
So yeah, so we have like monkey click. I don't think it works. So
Dude, but what are you doing?
I got middle freaking
Unlockable in the game?
fight. Yeah, middle
Ow.
fight. So
Wait, look, guys.
Big ol'
It's
Maxwell,
me,
I think.
Queso. Guys, look, it's me, Queso.
that's pretty
Yo,
cool.
Red.
I'm Queso.
We also have like these
Do you have
custom
every
maps.
unlockable in the game?
What?
Do you have every
User
unlockable in the
only.
game?
I don't think I'm trusted user yet.
I need help. I'm getting quite a lot of them because I really want to have
It's
a
like
lot of cosmetics.
that one. I gotta check some of this out. Again, I haven't checked it all out.
So,
Join this code. Let me delete the code that I was in here. The code is wait, what's the code? No,
Wait.
the code. No.
What
You're
the
not
fuck?
going to go back here. Why? No.
I'm not interested.
Yes.
Oh, what the frick? It's an Nene! Oh! Oh shit! Listen in the Gangnam Style. Oh my shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I get a beverage? Can I get a beverage? Yeah, I'm picking up. Oh my frick. It's the name.
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. So just do
Look at that. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a movie theater. What is this?
I totally don't.
Is that? Hold on.
Yes! I got 20.
Oh my god, it's a Monkey's Place movie.
I'm so sick now.
It's a Monkey's Place movie.
Please, I get.
No way.
Hold on.
That's cool. Monkey's Place movie. I'm gonna install Monkey's Place. I'll play Monkey's Place on camera, okay, guys? I'll make a video on playing Monkey's Place. Yeah. Oh, it's so laggy. I think I'm running a recording right here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next.